Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure redeeming Amex points for flights through American Express travel step by step clearly. To begin redeeming Amex points for flights through American Express travel, log into your American Express account. Navigate to the rewards section on the home page. Select travel from the drop-down menu. Once in the travel section, click on flights. You will see a search bar where you can input your travel details. Enter your departure and arrival cities. Select your desired travel dates. Indicate the number of passengers traveling. After filling in the required information, click on Search Flights. A list of available flights will appear on the screen. You can filter the results based on price, airline, and flight duration. Review the options and choose a flight that meets your preferences. Click on the flight you wish to book. You will be taken to a booking page with details about your selected flight. On this page, look for the option to pay with membership rewards points. Select the option to use your Amex points for the booking. If you don't have enough points, you may see an option to pay with a combination of points and cash. Review the total cost in points and confirm your choice. Proceed to the checkout. Enter any additional information required, such as passenger details. Review your booking to ensure all information is correct. Once validated, click on Complete Booking. You will receive a confirmation email with details about your flight. Make sure to save this email for your records. Enjoy your flight that was booked using your Amex points. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.